What's up guys, Rick with RallySportDirect here. Inside of me, I've got brand new AWE conversion kits. So let's just jump into what they are, what they do, and maybe why you might want it. Well, if you've got an AWE exhaust, you had two choices. A track or a touring. Now you can switch between them with these kits. So this is the track edition conversion kit. This is the touring edition conversion kit. So if you went out and you bought yourself a track edition AWE exhaust and you're like, man, I really thought I was gonna like all that extra noise. Maybe it's just a little bit too much. Maybe your neighbors are complaining, maybe your mom's complaining. It doesn't matter. You need something quieter. You still love the AWE exhaust. Well, now you can switch over by using their touring conversion kit, which gives you the muffler section. You're just going to swap over your tips. Now you've got yourself a nice, subtle, but yet still beautifully sounding touring exhaust. I say beautifully sounding because these mufflers utilize their 180 technology, which basically means that AWE builds these mufflers and these exhausts not only specific for Subaru, but down to the engine. FA20 and EJ25 get different mufflers, just pretty freaking cool. But let's say you bought the touring edition. You want a little bit more noise. Well, that's where this track conversion kit would come in. Simply swap over to this, swap over your tips, utilize band clamps that came on your original kit, and now you've got yourself a nice aggressive exhaust that's gonna be lighter, louder, and let's be honest, a little bit more fun. Now, these kits do come with something. You get a brand new sucker, just in case you ate your last one, an AWE sticker, and an AWE pamphlet. Now, these are 100% made in the United States by AWE. Very high quality. Just, I can't say enough good things about them, and I love that, you know, they do this because basically gives you the option, instead of going out and buying another full complete catback, you can just swap between the two and get what you want. And that's awesome. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll drop a link to these guys down below, as well as the AWE exhaust we carry because, well, they're freaking awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and see you guys on the next one.